Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first Christmas clean and decorate for 2022. So as you can tell, we are starting today in my master bedroom. This is a nice before shot of what our everyday decor looks like in here. I have a Christmas playlist going on the TV and ready to make this room cozy and festive for me and my husband. So earlier this morning, I had already placed our sheets in the wash for the day because I just wanted to start with a clean slate. So we're going to go ahead and jump into some of the cleaning before I work on the garland for our headboard. So I'm wiping down the nightstands and the headboard right now, and then we're going to get started decorating. If you are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and I am a work from home mom of one little boy. He is 2 years old and his name is Grant, and we live in East Tennessee, which is where I was born and raised. So it's a little bit about me. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel and sticking around for all of the Christmas videos we have coming up this year. Okay, the first piece of decor we're going to put up is this garland on my headboard. So the first year I ever did this was last year. It was a little bit of a learning process, but the garland itself is a glittered mistletoe garland that I picked up at Hobby Lobby last year. And the best way that I found to hang it up on our headboard, since we do have like the slats in the headboard, is to just tie it up with some twine. Tried to use command strips last year, but they just weren't sticking and weren't holding it up well. So kind of going an unconventional approach on this, but I love the kind of gives the bedroom like a romantic vibe. I do add a string of fairy lights on this as well that I picked up from Walmart, and I just have those on a 6-hour timer. So I think they come on at 4 p.m. every day just as the sun is starting to set, and they go off right at 10 o'clock, which is about when we go to bed. So, and we like to have it dark in the room. So I just love the soft and romantic look, I guess, that this gives to our headboard. Okay, now it's time to vacuum up some of the glitter that fell off of that garland, and then we're going to get started making up the bed. So I had pulled the sheets out of the dryer. They were fresh and clean on this day, and we just used regular white sheets all year. I see some other YouTubers using like flannel sheets on their beds, but we do not really need them here. My husband is a very warm sleeper. I am to an extent, but I hate getting into a cold bed. So you'll see me here in just a minute. I'm going to spread an electric heated blanket on my side of the bed. I like to turn that on every night a couple hours before we go to bed and let it warm up, and then I just turn it off when I'm ready to go to sleep because I just don't like getting into cold sheets. So that's why that is there. And then I decided to change our bed back over to our comforter. So in the summer, we like to put a quilt on the bed just for a lighter coverage because it does get so hot here in the summer. but it's been down in the 20s at night, so I was ready to put our comforter back on our bed, and I love it so much. I missed having it in our room. I love the style of this comforter. It is a threshold set from Target, and I believe they still have it. So I'll try to link it below if you're looking for that. But we're just gonna make up the bed and add a few holiday touches, and we will be ready to move on to other decor. In front of our shams, I'm going to add these two green throw pillows. I did use these as part of my fall decor in this room, and I decided to keep them out for Christmas because that color of green just matches some of our artwork on the walls so well. And then I'm going to add this Ray Dunn pillow that says "Home for the Holidays," and I love having that on our bed. Another cute touch I like to add to our room is to change out this wall print with a Christmas one. So this little like floral theme goes throughout our master bedroom and master bathroom. And I found at Hobby Lobby last year the same style of print. It's by the same artist, and it is a little reindeer with cute flowers on his antlers. And I just love it. It is such a fun print to have up for Christmas. Okay, now it's time to set up the Christmas tree. I purchased this tree last year from Walmart, and it was about $30 or $40, I believe. I ordered it online, and it is a pre-lit flocked tree. I believe it's about 4 feet tall, but it's very nice and flocked. It comes with this decorative bucket that it goes in, and the lights, you can either have them on warm white or multicolored. And the bulbs are like really big and round, and I just love the look of this tree. And I have a feeling that it may end up in Grant's room in the future with the multicolored lights on. I think he would really like that. So I did decide to decorate this tree this year. Last year I didn't add anything to it, I just left it as is. But I had some leftover mistletoe picks from a garland I used to make, but I decided to add those in because they match the garland on our headboard. I also added a couple of clips with some buffalo check on them, and then also these like buffalo check balls that I got from Hobby Lobby. Just leftover things because I decided to only do the buffalo check theme in our bedroom, so that's why I wanted to add this decor to this tree. Okay, now it's time to clean off our dresser. I decided to just turn off the Christmas music and play some on my phone that I really liked. Anyways, I'm dusting the dresser, and I've been using the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Surface Spray to clean our room. And then I'm going to style our little tier tray next. To the tiered tray. This tiered tray, by the way, is from Hobby Lobby. I believe it's typically in the fall section, but on the top I'm adding a single wick Bath & Body Works candle. This is in the frosted cranberry scent, I believe. I'm also adding this sign that I made using my Cricut Joy. It says "Merry Christmas, Darling," which is one of my favorite Christmas songs by the Carpenters, if you're familiar with them. And then to the bottom tier, I'm going to add this little wicker angel that was a gift one year. I'm also going to be adding a glass bell that my grandmother gave me years and years ago, and I have always held on to it, and I really like the way that it looks in our room with the neutral tones that we're going with. So I just think that is so pretty. I'm also going to add this little wooden snowflake that is from Hobby Lobby, and then we are going to fill in with some pine cones and poinsettias and some flocked greenery. Okay, now we're moving over here to my little makeup table. I'm going to wipe this down, and then we're going to do a little Christmas setup over here. I am adding these two small Christmas trees. The larger one I thrifted this year, and the smaller one I got at TJ Maxx a couple years back. And it just so happens that they both kind of match. They're like that spindly pine look with tiny little pine cones and gold glitter. So they match really well. The small one is covered in buffalo check fabric at the bottom too, so that's another little pop of that. And then I'm going to add this small sign that I picked up from Big Lots on clearance one year, and it just says, "Merry Christmas to all." So now it is time to quickly vacuum the floors and vacuum up all the glitter and the flocking and everything. And then I will share with you guys the final look. Since we are done decorating, it is time to make the room smell good. So I'm going to spritz around our bed with this Mrs. Meyer's peppermint room spray and just make that smell so good. And then we're going to light our candle on the tiered tray. did not show the process of styling this shelf, but I did want to share the final look with you guys. I added a few Christmassy touches over here to make it nice and festive, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and that it inspired you to start your Christmas decorating if you haven't already. And I just think it is so fun to add a few touches in your bedroom and just make it really cozy for the holiday season. If you did enjoy today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Hit that big red button below that says subscribe. It's totally free. It just lets you know every time I post a new video. We have so many more clean and decorating videos coming up for Christmas, so be sure that you don't miss any of those. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon with a new one. Bye!